I dare you to live. Smile. See the world. Let the sun kiss your face. Let the rain soak your clothes. Live again. Allow your soul reconnect to the earth underneath you. Allow yourself to be loved. I dare you to fall in love with nature, with the beauty all around you. These glorious sights were made for your eyes. And when the music turns on, I dare you to dance. Dance like one without a care in this world. And when you're left all alone, look deeper. Find meaning in your existence. Believe in the magic that you are.